Jimmy's Jukebox Mobile DJ.
Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to repair something. There's something wrong with my Equinox Hypnos. Can you see what it is? That's right. The lens has gone missing. I'm hoping it's inside. It's not rattling. Oh, it is. There it is. I can hear it. So I'm going to take it apart, see if I can get the lens back in. Yeah, it's jammed. Good job I didn't switch it on, or it would have been a right disaster. Good job I noticed before I put it on last week. So I'm going to be using my new electric screwdriver that I bought from Temu. See how good that is too. It's only £6. Will it be worth it? Okay, let's get ready for the repair. Come on. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to take off the handle. It's really good, this light. I'm not sure. Hopefully I only need to remove the top piece and see where things are. Hopefully. It's time to use my screwdriver. £6 from Temu. All the different bits, look. Comes in a good case. All the different heads that I need. And I want a... Yes, so I want a Phillips head. So many to choose from. That one looks the closest, I think. And then this is an electric screwdriver. Let's see how good this really is. So hopefully, I'm just going to try and take the top off. So we undo. No. Oh, that's not big enough. Oh, so these are only really made for smaller. Wait a minute, what's that one? Oh, that one fits. That's the biggest one I've got. So let's see how we get on with that. So is it powerful enough to undo? Because it is quite tight. Oh, I've done it by hand. Oh, once you've got it started, that's okay. So you can loosen it off. Yeah, they are quite tight, which I suppose they need to be. I'm hoping this lid, the top lid will just come off. I'm going to have to use a proper screwdriver. It's not good. It's not strong enough. Oh well. Neither is this one. Blimey, they are tight. Really tight. Sorry for wobbling you. Which is from Temu as well. Let's get a bit of a better. This is a good one. I'll go for that one, I think. Oh yes, having a decent screwdriver. I might even have to get a socket on it. It's tight. It looks like it goes down to there, so hopefully this top will just come straight off. That's what I'm hoping for anyway. Oh, that's better. Got there in the end with a decent screwdriver set. They are well and truly on there. So this light makes fantastic patterns, and I use it behind my booth. You've probably seen it in some of my gig logs. So I'm really missing it because it's my main thing that goes behind my booth. Give me some fancy patterns behind there. I use this because it's nice and compact, and it just bolts onto my combi booth shelf, hence the little bolt. Let me show you that. hence the little bolt on the top there. That's how it goes through my shelf on my combi booth. So I'm getting there now. There's quite a few screws. I wish I could see. Put your popped glasses on, Jimmy. They're there, but I can't be bothered. I'm hoping this is just going to be a lens that's fell out and just push it back in, but we shall see. Hopefully it's not damaged anything because I didn't switch it on. I noticed there was a hole there. When I did it, so luckily before I switched on I did try and grab it through the hole, but of course it wouldn't come through because it's designed not to go through. So it looks like this top will come off. It's already starting to separate at this end. There's three more. 3 more. So just recently, this Friday and next Saturday, no, now 9th of August, I've had a cancellation. It seems to be the going thing at the moment. Not because of me, I don't know. Parties being cancelled. Luckily, it's not booked through me, it's booked through the pub. So I've got a bit of, they share the deposit that they've paid. He does give me a bit, but I usually tell him to save it and give me at Christmas if there's anything like that. Or, you know, it's only a few quid, but it's something that, that's why that's got a, okay, so that's why that's not coming out. I must have not altered that. There's got a bloody thingy on that. I'll tighten that back up. But what about that? So that's got a earth wire on there. Good job that I didn't undo that one then. So I found the culprit. Can I get it? Well jammed in there. So there we are. It's like a diamond. I'm going to try and... It is clipped in, so I don't know why it's come out, really. I'm hoping I can do it from here. Trying to get it in right now. There we are. It's just clipped back in. So I wonder why. There's a few more that are loose. So that's the inside of it. Wow, they're very complicated. There's the patterns in the middle. There's all these patterns. So that's gone back in. I don't think it will fall out anytime soon. Just come unclipped. I don't know why. Really is bizarre that it's come unclipped. Well, that is all it's done. I don't know if you can see inside there. So them lenses, try and get it in closer. So them lenses are clipped in, and it just unclipped itself, and now I've clipped it back in. I don't think it's coming out anymore. And it's looking back to normal. So hopefully I can get this working again. Right, took that back down there. Try and remember how it went back together. Oh, that goes there. Oh yeah, that's right. So I'll leave you with that then. Just make sure that I don't take that one off. I wonder why it had an extra screw on that side. It's because it had a earth wire connected to it. So luckily all the screws are the same size. I just need to get them in position. And we'll get that first one. So this is the time when you do your maintenance. It may be something you're not confident with, but half the time I found with repairing stuff, it's not electricity that causes the problem. Sometimes it's just a fuse, but 9 times out of 10 it's things like this. Lenses falling out, motors breaking. I've got these over here which I'll show you in a minute, but I've got a project to do, so I have one broken one. If you can see that, I'll show you that in a minute. But while I'm putting this away, putting these screws back in, because you're not going to see that. But as I was saying, quite a few people cancelling the parties at the minute. Now, it seems to be the in thing. I don't know why. I've had 3 cancellations, but luckily I've had 3 more bookings since. And one naughty one that we had to chase up, in the bar that I work at. He gave me a number to ring, obviously, to get details of what they were planning on doing, and more detail of the party. I rung it and I said, "Hi, I'm the DJ of so and so." They just hung up on me, and I only wanted to know regarding what the arrangements were for what time to start and things like that. So that was a bit weird. Okay, so slowly getting there. So that was a bit weird, that one. I thought put that the right way around, so yeah, because that ridge goes to the front. I don't think you can get it wrong anyway with that cable being on there. So let me know in the comments, are you having a lot of cancellations at the minute? I don't think it's because of me. I just think people make arrangements and then find that they can't go or can't afford it. It gets quite expensive, doesn't it, to do a party these days with the food and paying the DJ and hiring the room. This was a marquee. You have to hire the room. I feel sorry for the people doing the food, actually, because it was a bit short notice, because the party was Friday and they didn't even tell us they were cancelling. I chased it up and they said, "Oh yeah, we've cancelled." So I would have turned up, the food would have turned up, and it would have been a right mess. But I guess with the food lady, I know the food lady, unless they were doing their own food, of course, she takes deposits as well. We don't take any risks anymore. We never used to. We used to, people used to pay cash. Don't worry about deposits, especially in that little pub that I go to. Everybody trusted each other. Okay, so this is really boring for you, isn't it? But I'm just about there. Is this little washer, so it won't tighten up properly. So put that through, put your washer on, and there you go. On the side. Don't tighten it up until you got the other side on. Lift it up, give you enough room to put the washer on. And there you go. Right. If I didn't put that washer on, I won't be able to tighten it up like I do. Okay, time to test. Shall we have a look, shall we? Okay, so we're back in. Lenses are working. Looking cool. Can't really show the pattern. Actually, I'll try and turn it that way. I'll turn the lights out. shut the garage door. So even if it's not behind my booth, look at that, it makes a great pan, and I do love this light. It makes things look like flame. Yeah, all the lenses are working well. I'm liking that. I've got my light back up and running. Mesmerising, isn't it? Love it. There we go then. That's the repair sorted. Working a treat. So here's my next project, a naked moving head, a working moving head that's been battered. I bought 2 of these in a job lot, repaired one, turned one black one into a white one, and this is a broken white one that I had. I don't know if you remember that video. Check it out in my video selection. And I've got all these bits here, and I'm going to make that one into a decent one, and then I'll have 3 of those working, and then I'll just take bits off the parts of this to save for another day. This was quite hard working. It was sticking, and I couldn't work out what was up with it, but I'll save all the bits and the belts. You never know, one day I might need them. I do like pottering about repairing. So that is the repair of the Equinox Hypnos, a great light if you want to get one. DMX in and out, but I just use it behind my booth. It looks really cool. Kids love it. I keep touching my cloth, and they're mesmerised by the patterns. Great stuff. Whew. So it's not totally broken, still working. Nice one. So that's it. Another successful repair. Always handy to do your own repairs. Have a go yourself. Take it apart, but make sure it's unplugged, and just have a look. Common sense might just prevail. That was really easy. A lens had fell out, but it could have been a disaster if I'd switched it on, because that lens was trapped in the wheel. So that's why I took it apart and repaired it. And thank goodness it wasn't jammed. I got it out and it clicked straight back in. Nice easy repair. Most repairs are nice and easy. It takes longer to take it apart than actually doing the repair. So that's it for now. Thanks for joining us on the channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on my next gig if it's not cancelled. See you soon. Bye bye for now.